A treadmill is a fantastic way to stay active indoors, but there's no denying that this hefty piece of fitness equipment takes up a lot of space. Let's dive into the video to find the best treadmill for small spaces on the market. Number 1, most popular. NordicTrack TSeries treadmills. This treadmill employs the patented space-saver design and has a 2.6 HP motor. Its running belt is 2.0 wide and 5.5 lengthy and includes optional Flex Select cushioning technology. This treadmill can incline up to 10% and can provide speeds up to 10 miles per hour, and can hold a weight capacity of 300 pounds. The console with this treadmill includes a 5 LED backlit display that reveals a track view. It offers 20 preset workout programs. Also, it is iFit compatible. The iFit is chosen from the routes all around the globe, and it'll simulate the inclines and declines in this terrain automatically. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. XTERRA treadmills are durable, attractive machines that will be reliable in the long term. This TR150 model is a candidate for people trying to find a dependable treadmill that will last a very long time. Some say it is the best compact folding treadmill. The XTERRA TR150 treadmill includes a bright, 5-inch LCD screen that monitors time, speed, distance, calories, and heart rate. The XTERRA TR150 weighs 108 pounds and will hold around 250 pounds, which will be approximately 30 pounds more than any other folding treadmill for small spaces. Number 3. NordicTrack Commercial 2950 Treadmill. NordicTrack Commercial 2950 is an incredible fitness machine that has the current technologies and capabilities. The tread belt surface includes versatile flex cushioning, which produces an authentic road running experience. It also engages cushioning dampeners to lower the impact. The self-cooling smart response drive reduces the vibration, making your toughest workouts less disruptive. The integrated tray, 2 digitally amplified speakers, and dual auto-breeze fans are a plus. But what makes the NordicTrack 2950 special is the 22 inches interactive HD touchscreen. You can access over 17,000 live interactive training from world-class fitness instructors. Number 4. Westlow Cadence G59 Cadence Folding Treadmill. The Westlow Cadence G59 treadmill includes all that a folding treadmill should have, example, an integrated tablet holder, a more comfortable tread belt, plus a space-saving design, at an affordable price. This is one of the best treadmills out there. The Westlow Cadence G59 treadmill series has easy controls plus a 16x50 workout deck for comfort at any fitness level. The tread deck includes comfort cell cushioning for reduced impact. The Westlow Cadence G59 treadmill series includes a 275-pound weight capacity and is capable of speeds from 0 to 10 miles per hour. Number 5. Echelon Strike Treadmills. The Echelon Strike is a great pick if saving space is your top priority. This compact treadmill folds up to just 10 inches tall, which is smaller than other top folding treadmills, but it still has a 4.6-foot running belt that will suit most runners. Likewise, the Echelon Strike can incline 10%, and you can run up to 12 miles per hour. The Echelon Strike lacks a beautiful display but does offer 8 programmed workouts along with a built-in device holder so you can still stream live on-demand classes while you jog.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.